Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw SSH keys from AWS EC2 and cleanup agents, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw SSH keys from your AWS EC2 instance and cleanup agents, follow these steps carefully. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. Select the instance from which you want to withdraw SSH keys. Click on the Connect button to access the connection details. Note the current SSH key pair associated with your instance. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use the SSH command to connect to your instance using the existing key. Once connected, verify the SSH keys in the /.ssh/authorized_keys file. To view the contents, run the command cat /.ssh/authorized_keys. Identify the SSH keys you wish to withdraw. Using a text editor, open the authorized_keys file for editing. You can use nano or 6 for this purpose, for example, nano/.ssh/authorized_keys. Remove the line corresponding to the SSH key you want to withdraw. Save and exit the editor. To ensure no stale agents remain, check running SSH agents. Use the command /ssh_add_l to list the identities. If you see identities you wish to remove, use /ssh_add_d identity to delete them. Alternatively, run /ssh_add_d to remove all identities from the agent. After clearing the agents, ensure that your SSH configuration is tidy. You can also consider rotating your key pairs for enhanced security. If you need to generate a new key pair, return to the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Key Pairs section under EC2. Create a new key pair and download it to your local machine. Store your keys securely and ensure you back them up. Should you need to re-access the instance, update the authorized_keys file again. For future connections, remember to use the new key pair. Log out of your EC2 instance once you have completed your tasks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.